Now that I overlined my lips big time, it's fine. It's fine. Everything is fine. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caitlin if you're new here. First things first, if you're new here or if you're a returning viewer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free, so just hit it. Yeah, that one. Yeah, just hit that. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. It's very fresh and youthful and just very simple, but looks like, ooh, girl, okay. If you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So we are in a different filming area. It's in my bathroom. I did not want to move any of my stuff, and I have a mirror like perfect in front of me, so this might be my filming area for a few videos. I don't know. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer to prime my face. I've been using this Kypress Antioxidant Dew Serum that I got in my BoxyCharm box, and it actually like gives me a really good glow. I actually do enjoy it when I go for a, like when I don't put anything on my face, which I've done today so far, and then of course I'm going in with makeup for the rest of the day. But if you don't like want to wear anything on your skin, that really does give you a glow and like opens your skin up a lot. I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay foundation and I'm just going to pump it out on my face. I'm just going to be using my Real Techniques face and body sponge. I feel like a sponge gives you a better and like more natural like airbrush look. In my last video I used the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I don't know about y'all, but this stuff is like, it did wonders, and I don't know if I'm gonna be like switching. I don't know. I just like really enjoyed it. It like gave full coverage and it didn't dry my under eyes out. Like nothing can compare to Tarte, but I mean this for $5 I feel like does the same job that the Tarte one does. I don't know. e.l.f. really did step that one up, that's for sure. Just gonna be blending this out. If you haven't watched my last video, like look at this. Like you can't see any under eyes at all. And I do get a couple of shades lighter when I do my concealer because I do like a brightening effect. You really want to have like an open bright eye. It just makes it look better, you know, like fresh and young and, you know, just very youthful, I feel like. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I gotta paint this bathroom though, that's for sure, a different color. I want to do like a gray in here. I'm going to take a darker shade of the Fit Me powder and just set the rest of my face. I almost started going back to dewy like skin looking like, because I see that like everyone has this natural and I'm like, okay, yeah. And then I was like going and I was like, no girl, this is not who I am. I forgot to cream contour. Ugh, oh well. I'm going to be taking this City Bronzer by Maybelline. Literally, this is my favorite bronze slash contour powder ever. It's 10 bucks. This pan is huge. The color is awesome. I think they only have 3 shades at the moment, if I'm not mistaken, but it's really good. What you kind of want to do is just kind of keep it up here and then blend outwards. Try not to go too low. If you do, that's not a problem. We can always bake to fix that. Okay, I'm just going to take a blending brush and carve out my nose to give it more color. So in this, we just want to make our skin look very youthful, very fresh, even though I'm doing a matte we can always change that by adding highlighter and setting spray. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit on my brush and I'm just going to work it in my crease just a little amount just to give color back to my eye. I'm also going to be taking just a smudger brush on this and I'm going to hit my lower lash line. So I'm just adding that color basically back. I'm going to be taking my Revolution blush in Pink Lady and I'm going to put this on my cheeks. Now with this, you want to add more blush than you usually do because we are going for the fresh look. So this color just really brings that fresh, like vibrant, ooh, skin. I'm also going to hit my nose with this and I'm going to hit my eyeballs just a little bit just to give that sun-kissed fresh, you know. Okay, and now I'm going to take a light highlighter, this is like a lighter highlighter that I would go for. So for a fresh look, you want to get like a lighter highlighter that you can use for your skin tone just to kind of bring that, we don't want to go anything dark with this look. We're trying to go for the fresh, youthful look. Hit it on my forehead, hit it on the bridge of my nose. Cupid's bow. I'm going to do my brows off camera, so I'll be back. Okay, so the brows are on. I just kind of did like a natural brow. Take my highlighter so you can do the same, or any like creamish, sparkly eyeshadow. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it in my inner corner and my brow bone. This will make your eyes look very awake and open, but very subtle. For my eyelashes, I'm just going to curl them, use my Dang Girl mascara, and I'm just going to put a light coat on. Get my lower lashes real quick. Okay, so we are done with the face, the eyebrows, and the eyes, and we're going to take a lip color. Now for this, you want to yet again stay kind of on the lighter colors or the more neutral colors. Or if you want, you can just go ahead and do a bold lip look. But for me, I'm a nude girl, a lighter, on the lighter side color girl. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to take my Dose of Colors in the color Nude Mood. I also got this in my BoxyCharm box for November. This tip is like so soft that it kind of tickles my lips. And if you like these earrings, you can get them at Pretty Pieces by Court. I will have her Instagram linked below as well. And don't forget to use my code all uppercase Kate, K-A-I-T, and the numbers 15 for 15% off. You can't beat it, girl. Okay, so this is the completed look. Very simple, very glowy, very fresh, very youthful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to get rung every time I post. And don't forget to hit that like button if you would like to see more makeup tutorials, or if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below anything that you would like. And I will be uploading hopefully more than once a week, and hopefully we can get it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.